Corpo Monkey's making money. But where the hell does he put it? Savings? Nah, inflation's eating his bananas. Crypto? Already lost half his tail. Stocks? ETFs? Bonds? Sounds like a jungle mess. But what if I told you there's a secret path to banana wealth most jungle workers ignore? Stick around because today, we're unlocking the 401k jungle hack that turns monkey wages into retirement treasure. Corpo Monkey just crushed another 60-hour week at Bentonol. He gets his paycheck, counts his bananas, and wonders, where do I even start? He Googles investing once. Boom. Stock charts, ETFs, bonds, hedge funds. Monkey brain go, ah. Too much, too risky. So he leaves it in a savings account. Big mistake. Every year, inflation nibbles at his banana stash. What's worth 100 bananas now might only buy 80 next year. Introducing the 401k monkey secret weapon. What if the jungle had a banana vault, backed by law, powered by employers, and designed to grow over time? Enter the 401k. Think of it as a retirement banana farm. You plant bananas now, and when you're old and gray, the trees have multiplied. It's not magic. It's tax-smart investing on autopilot. Why 401k greater than savings account? Your typical savings account? Trash. Returns like 1%, while inflation eats 4%. You're losing bananas every day. But with a 401k, your bananas don't just sit, they work. They invest in stocks, bonds, and index funds, auto-fed and auto-managed. You can pick from options or let the jungle elders, employer plus plan admin, decide. 401k power-ups. No tax now. You don't pay taxes on the bananas you invest today. Employer match. Some jungle bosses double your investment. Contribute 1,000 bananas, boss drops 1,000 more. Free bananas, tax later, not now. Your taxed income shrinks today, so you pay Uncle Banana less right now. You only pay taxes when you retire, and by then you're probably earning less, so the tax is lighter. How to start? It's easy one. Ask your HR monkey, yo, we got a 401k plan here? Second enroll. 3. Decide how much percent of your bananas to contribute. Even 5% helps. Fourth, let it auto-deduct every paycheck. No thinking, no trading, just growing bananas. Your bananas are invested into funds by jungle titans like Banana Rock or Vanguardilla. But beware the jungle traps. Can't withdraw until age 59 and a half. Early equals 10% penalty plus tax. Want to start your own business? You'll need liquid bananas, not locked ones. Some employers have bad plans with high fees. Always check where your bananas are going. And remember, 401k is not a banana printing machine. There's still market risk. 401k, the final banana verdict. So, should Corpo Monkey use it? Yes, if your employer matches. Yes, if you suck at saving. Yes, if you want lower taxes now. No, if you need money soon. No, if your plan has high fees or no matching. The stock market is a banana sorting machine, transferring wealth from the impatient to the patient. Start early, stay consistent, let your bananas compound, and in 30 years, future you will thank you. Sipping coconut juice on a beach surrounded by banana trees. Don't scroll past your future. Talk to your HR monkey. Ask about a 401k, because broke retirement monkey ain't cute.